if one is able to create that impact, the length of the role doesn't matter, or rather, the screen time doesn't matter. The impact of Abrar's character in a film like Animal, like he was there for 15 minutes, but the impact is so much, and I feel like everybody fails to see that.
You've also worked closely on this project with KK Menon.
Oh, sir, sir. What an actor! What an actor, yeah. Like envious. I'm envious of the amount of talent KK sir has. Hi, my name is Saqib Salim, and you're watching me on Bollywood Hangama.
हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ सोनल एंड यू आर वाचिंग अस ऑन बॉलीवुड हंगामा। आज हमारे साथ है साकिब सलीम, जिसको आपने रिसेंटली देखा है सीटाडेल हनी बनी में, और आपने बहुत अच्छा काम किया, लेट मी टेल यू दैट।
But thank you so much for the love and appreciation, and it's great to be talking to you.
थैंक यू। मुझे बताइए, इसमें आप थोड़े से ग्रे शेड विलनिश कैरेक्टर में हैं, तो आपने प्रिपेयर कैसे किया फॉर द एक्शन एंड फाइट सीक्वेंसेस?
बहुत मेहनत की, एक्शन रिहर्सल्स किए बहुत सारे, बट ऑफ कोर्स ये ग्रे कैरेक्टर है और ग्रे शेड है, बट आई डोंट नो अबाउट अदर्स, बट मैं सिर्फ ये कह सकता हूँ कि जब मैं कोई भी रोल प्ले कर रहा होता हूँ तो मैं ये डिसाइड नहीं करता कि वो पॉजिटिव है कि नेगेटिव है। जो मैं कर रहा हूँ शो में, मेरे पास उस चीज़ को करने की रीजंस होने चाहिए, और जो कि थे मेरे पास। ये वर्ल्डली ग्रे है, बट आई वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड व्हेन राज इंडिके came as in called me saying कि listen boss, we want you for this. I'm like, sir, why me? Like, because nobody's seen you like that, and that really interests me. Ki okay, there are these filmmakers I look up to and really like their work, and they are seeing me in a different light. So just the prep was just trying to create a backstory for myself and carry it with myself in every scene. It doesn't matter if you see the backstory or not, but when you see me in a scene, you have to feel that he's carrying a lot inside him, and that is what I had to work on, and that is what my prep was, just to embody that story inside me. Even if I am just looking at somebody, that whole story has to play in my head, and if it's happening, then something is happening, otherwise nothing is happening. Because when I read the show, I'm like, अरे इसकी तो लाइन ही नहीं है ये मेनिसिंग बताना है, इसको कैसे दिखाया जाएगा? And but I understood the intent of the writers कि अगर वो ज़्यादा बोलेगा तो वो डाइल्यूट हो जाएगा उसका कैरेक्टर. So hence the backstory really became even far more important for me to really put my head to it. So that was the prep यार, और बॉडी बनाई और मेहनत की और just had a good time यार. Just had a good time because I was working with a lot of people who I really liked and I really wanted to work with. So I just went out there, had a ball of a time.
यू नो इट्स डिफिकल्ट व्हेन यू डोंट हैव लाइंस, तो वो और डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है
जी,
कैरेक्टर को
जी,
पोर्ट्रे करना,
जी.
बट आपने वो बहुत अच्छे से किया है। योर
अच्छा, ये
एक्सप्रेशंस
आप तारीफ कर रही हैं क्या?
जी,
अरे थैंक यू,
मतलब
appreciate it.
थोड़ा कम दिखा, बट जितना भी दिखा इट वाज अ ट्रीट टू द आईज, लेट मी टेल यू दैट।
Thank you, and that's what one works for, is to
Yeah.
create an impact. And if one is able to create that impact, the length of the role doesn't matter, or rather, the screen time doesn't matter. What matters for me is if I'm able to bring an impact in the narrative. And I'm very happy that, like you just said, I've also been getting a lot of messages and DMs, and so it's very nice when people see that वो impact वो character create कर पाए. That's all.
सो इज देयर लाइक एनी सीन जो आपने शूट किया जिसके लिए आप बहुत एक्साइटेड थे, बट वो इट
नहीं
डिडंट
यार,
मेक
not
इट?
that I remember of. ऐसा तो कुछ भी नहीं.
ओके,
Not that I remember.
ओके।
Now that you're making me think, नहीं ऐसा कोई सीन नहीं है. I think everything's pretty much there. यही बात हुई थी और यही है. There is nothing to it.
ओके, ओके। सो इनिशियली ऐसा होता था कि एक हीरो को ऑलवेज इन अ पॉजिटिव रोल देखा जाता था, मतलब लाइक समवन्स सन, रोमांसिंग एन एक्ट्रेस, बट अभी कुछ ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स भी हैं जो नॉट नेसेसरी फीमेल लीड्स भी हो
Hmm.
या फिर एक हीरोइक स्टोरी लाइन
Hmm.
हो, बट स्टिल दोज कैरेक्टर्स आर ऑल्सो लव्ड बाय द ऑडियंस.
Hmm.
तो ये जो परसेप्शन है एक हीरो का,
It's
वो
the bad boy era, yeah.
या
It's the bad boy era. You see what's happening. You see the transformation of a lot of actors because they just get far more richer parts. You see it as the antagonist or an important role. I see it as a more juicier part. That as an actor, there's a lot more for me to explore. Like, just to cite an example, just to, if that would help, I'm just trying to set context. Like, the impact of Abrar's character in a film like Animal, like, he was there for 15 minutes, but the impact is so much, and I feel like everybody fails to see that what one is trying to do is just create impact. And like I said, it's the bad boy era. People love bad boys, and as an actor, it's very exciting to be doing roles like this. Yeah.
you've also worked closely on this project with KK Menon. या powerhouse of acting. तो सेट पे
What an
उनके साथ रह
actor!
के
What an actor! Yeah, like envious. I'm envious of the amount of talent KK sir has. Like you just give him 5 pages of dialogues. He just when he performs, it doesn't feel like he said all the 5 pages. He just makes those 5 pages his own. And every time he does it, he brings something new in it. He's like, how like, I don't know, how do I say it? Like, he's like this really matured single malt that has been there for years. So every time you have a sip, you like, arey, wow, some new flavors come out. And great learning to just watch him perform. I remember me and Varun used to be fanboys. We would just, in his close-up, just keep staring at him and be like, arey, kya kiya yaar, ye kya kiya yaar. Right? Even before the director could say, great, we would have critiqued his performance because he was just so good, yeah. He was so good. Matlab, there's so much to learn. Like when you work on sets like this, there's so much to learn from senior actors, and there's so much to learn from their process. That I spent a lot of time, in fact, chatting with KK sir, just trying to understand that how he approaches a scene or how he thinks, or very very fascinating man and very fascinating actor. So yeah.
सो वरुण के साथ भी आपके काफी
जी.
सीन्स थे
जी.
एंड ही इज लाइक नोन एज यू नो समवन हु इज वेरी फन ऑन सेट. आपने मिलके परेशान किया समांथा को?
अरे नहीं, ऐसा नहीं था यार. But I think I go back a long way with Varun. We've done Dishum together. We also neighbors in Juhu, and we always talking to each other on Instagram here there. So he's just a lovely boy. He just gives me a lot of love, and I had a great time shooting with him. We had our own chats and whatever because I don't know, we connect a little more. So we would talk about everything and during the making of it, but we didn't trouble Samantha. We in fact had a lot of fun with her and with everybody else on the set. But yeah, he's just a nice guy, yaar. I like him. That's nothing to it. He's just a very loving and giving guy, and that's very rare to find in actors usually. Like I saw a video of his. He'd said something to some pap video I saw where he said Saqib is the best part of the series. That's very very sweet, right? Who does that?
Yeah.
In a time where you hear of stories कि अरे उस actor ने उसका role काट दिया or whatever. You hear these stories. I don't know if they're true or not. But in that time, you have a guy who's just going out there and who's so secure about who he is, and he's calling the other actor the best thing of the show. So it's his badappan and his love, and yeah, I just really have lots of love for him.
So I recently interviewed your sister.
How unfortunate.
Oh my god. She said she's the funnier sibling.
Do you think so?
I don't know.
Okay, I'll let you decide. Yeah, let you decide.
Okay.
You've been smiling since this interview started,
Yes,
but
absolutely.
I'll let you decide, and I'll let people decide.
Do you agree with her? दे देते
Yeah,
हैं.
I agree with her. I want her to win, yeah. I want my sister to win, her to be happy. If this gives her happiness, absolutely, I'm happy losing to her on this. But you should, in fact, ask our friends. They'll be able to tell this. I'll give you numbers of all our friends. You should
Okay.
just pick up the phone and be like, hey guys, who's funnier, Saqib or Huma? And you'll have the unanimous answer. But for her happiness, I'm happy to lose.
Okay, okay. So since you are a producer yourself और आजकल हॉरर कॉमेडी बहुत ही छाया हुआ है, तो आपके ऐसे कोई प्लान्स है फ्यूचर में हॉरर कॉमेडी एक्सप्लोर करना?
यार a company Element 3 Films ऐसे genre specific फिल्में नहीं बनाती. I feel like what we are trying to do here is, of course, it's a beautiful genre and it's working and people are loving it. But I feel like अगर मैं आज develop करूँगा और आज बनाना शुरू करूँगा, so by the time I'll come out, there'll be 20 more horror comedies already. So I don't have to run after a genre. I have to run after a unique, interesting story. And that's what this company is trying to do. Is I feel like there is a plethora of talent out there. There's just lack of opportunity. And both Huma and I want to create an ecosystem where we can give a space for different unique voices to come about and yet make very commercial films for everyone and not trying to be like, oh, हम बहुत intelligent pictures बनाएंगे. नहीं, just unique films and just giving voices, some new voices to the industry, and that's the intent of this company. So no genre specific, but story specific, yes.
Do you think आजकल बॉलीवुड में लव स्टोरीज और कॉमेडी फिल्म्स की बहुत कमी हो रही है, या फिर अगर हो रही है तो वो उस तरीके से लैंड नहीं कर पाती? What do you think is
पता
the
नहीं यार,
reason?
मैं तो सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ से पिक्चर जज करता हूँ कि मुझे मज़ा आया कि नहीं. तो अगर हम मज़ेदार पिक्चर बनाने की तरफ फोकस करेंगे तो हम जॉनर से बाहर निकल जाएंगे. आई फील लाइक कि ये जॉनर चल रहा है तो इसकी बनाते रहो. लाइक आई रिमेंबर व्हेन आई जस्ट डेब्यूड, उसके आगे पीछे विकी डोनर हैड रिलीज. So then everybody wanted to make a film like Vicky Donor for the next 3 years. I feel like you have to be ahead of the curve. You had to be the first one to make a horror comedy. You can't be the 10th one to, you can't join the bandwagon. You have to find your own voice, your own direction. So again, like I said before, ये genre specific से अगर हम हटे और बोलें कि इस कहानी को देखने में मज़ा आएगा, मैं ये पिक्चर देखूंगा. जब मैं कोई भी स्क्रिप्ट सुनता हूँ या पढ़ता हूँ, चाहे फॉर वेदर टू प्रोड्यूस और टू एक्ट, माई फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्या मैं पिक्चर देखूंगा या क्या शो में देखूंगा. सो और क्या मुझे इसको देखने में मज़ा आएगा. सो आई फील लाइक दैट्स माई बैरोमीटर टू जज एनी पीस ऑफ कंटेंट, नॉट द जॉनर. अगर अच्छी लव स्टोरी होगी क्यों नहीं चलेगी, अच्छी कॉमेडी पिक्चर होगी क्यों नहीं चलेगी. अच्छी चीज़ चलती है, अच्छी चीज़ बनाएंगे तो सब चलेगा.